Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with my September releases, and I'm actually really excited to show you guys because it's been a lot of work done in the last maybe 72 hours or the last 3 days. I had big plans to get a lot of designing done while I was on vacation. None of that happened. So I had to really get this done within the last few days here that I've been home. So I'm excited to share with you guys here. So the first collection is my fall watercolor wildflowers. Let's zoom in. So I created a watercolor wildflowers collection in a different color palette a few months ago and decided to do a similar thing, but this time in a fall color palette. So I really like the oranges and the mustard and the grays in here. And then you've got the matching fall watercolor wildflower swatches, and then the matching circles, as well as the quote and smaller deco and the washi. So these collections come as either you buy the whole set of 4 as either a white matte sticker sheet or the clear matte sticker paper, or you can buy these individually. The next collection I absolutely adore, and these are the Fall Florals collection. So you've got the Fall Florals, the different deco here. So you've got blooms in the oranges and the browns and the mustard and the olive. Really loving this color scheme. And then you also have the matching swatches for your spread. And the way that I actually use these, if you're not familiar, is that I use these as headings in my Hobonichi Cousin. I've used them actually as deco as well in my daily spreads. There's so many different uses for these. They're probably my favorite functional stickers. And then you have the fall floral circles, which I actually use as deco to go along with the main deco sheet. And then you have the quote and the washi. Again, I love that. Autumn is my favorite color. So what I've done with the washi for this one is I've actually taken the blooms or the fall florals and created washi from them. So it really is a great little collection for decorating your planner. The next collection is the pumpkin collection. And I know that this is the time of year that everybody comes out with the pumpkins. And what I love about this time of year as well is that so many different creators with different personalities, different artistic styles come out with pumpkins in so many different types. So whether or not you like pumpkins, there's going to be a sticker out there that will suit your personal style. I created these as kind of watercolors, but I love the look of them and that they're not such a bright, punchy orange. You've got more of a muted orange to go with kind of the olive green and gray there as well. And then we have the matching paint swatches as always, the matching circles, and then the quote and washi, as well as 3 smaller pumpkin deco stickers. Gourd vibes only. Yes, I do have my quotes. My quote inspirations are normally corny and funny, if I do say so myself. Next is my watercolor fall leaves collection. So this time last year, or actually in October of last year, I created the autumn collection as well as the abstract collection, and this is kind of a step up from that. So you've got the watercolor fall leaves, and you've got 4 big deco stickers here as well as 4 smaller leaves here, and I really like the ombre that you get in these stickers. And then you have the matching paint swatches, almost rainbow, and then the matching circles and the quote and the washi. So these 2 stickers, I actually combine them so that they're 2 stickers. And then the quote, don't stop believing. I think that's my most favorite quote out of all the ones that I've done. So again, reminder that these do come in clear matte or white matte sticker paper. Then I decided to do pumpkins in a different color scheme. So I know not everybody really likes the oranges or the olive green, so I decided to do pumpkins in a punchier color palette. So we've got pinks and kind of the bluish teal and the purple here, and I love these. So these are my pastel pumpkins, and then you have the matching paint swatches, the quote and the washi, life is gourd with you around. All the gourd and pumpkin quotes are actually quite funny. And then the pastel circles. I really love this color scheme. It's not your typical fall color scheme, and I feel like you could use these in winter as well. The last collection I have here are my watercolor trees. So this one you get actually two bigger stickers in the either the white matte or the clear matte sticker paper, and they're just watercolor tree stickers. I like that you kind of go from the color of the trees in spring, and then you or in spring in summer, and then you kind of transition to the fall colors there. I really like that. And then you have the matching paint swatches, always with paint swatches. And before I show that one, then you've got the circle stickers. Move that over. And then lastly, the quote and the washi. So I included 3 smaller tree stickers and then the washi there. And I love this quote, "I come alive in the fall time." Really pretty. I really like the look of the watercolor trees. I couldn't decide whether to make these smaller so you guys get more stickers, but I did include a few more of the smaller ones in the quote and washi sheet. But I love the size of these stickers. I think they'd be great in the Hobonichi Cousin daily spreads, in bullet journals. I love bigger stickers like that. Lastly, we have this month's freebie. This comes with every order made in September, and it is a 3.5 by 2.25 sticker sheet in the white matte, and it includes 6 paint swatches, a script, 2 deco from the fall florals, as well as 2 circles. So really, with just this sheet alone, you could make a really cute spread. So there are all of this month's collections. There are 6 total here, and I'm really excited by these. You can tell there's a specific color palette that I've kind of gone with, and it is leaning more towards, yes, the autumn colors. And I know it's not officially autumn until the 22nd, but I know many of you are already trying to figure out what you want to decorate your planners in for October. And this is also for me, I like the neutral color schemes of fall and the more muted if you're going in that direction. But I do have to say, these pastel pumpkins still are, a favorite of mine. So which one is your favorite out of all of these collections? Also wanted to let you know these are going to be released in my shop on Friday, September 9th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And you can use the code FALL15, that's FALL15, for 15% off my shop, but that is excluding any sale items or oops bundles. And you can use that code until Sunday 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video and want more videos featuring my collections, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.